AHAVA and full moon blessings to all of you. I wanted to say hello, and I also wanted to share a beautiful Aramaic prayer and chant that I have been doing for the last couple of weeks. It is really, really powerful, and I feel it is so aligned with the energies of the full moon and also just the energy of our soul essence. It is an offering, a devotion, and if you're looking to go into some reflection on this full moon, this is a beautiful way to awaken the light within us, to bring in and embody a light language, which is Aramaic, and the light language is a language that holds no duality, as spirit, soul, and body are one in the Aramaic language. And it's just so beautiful to be able to chant and vibrate the Aramaic Hebrew letters, because each letter activates a certain frequency within us. And so the chant is, well, I call it a chant, even though it's a prayer, because we're going to chant it together. And it's ALAHIN, IMMA, de. Say it with me. ALAHIN, IMMA, de. And this is so beautiful, what it means. It means Divine Mother of Creation. And there are many words in Aramaic for creation. You have Briyata, Bereshit, Briya. And Briya is just a very feminine expression of creation, of creating. It's soft, yet so powerfully manifested. And so it's Divine Mother of Creation. ALAHIN, IMMA, de Briya. With a soft H at the end of Briya. Say it with me one more time. ALAHIN, IMMA, de Briya. And so we're going to chant this together. Let's chant this together. And this is something beautiful that you can bring into your practice on this full moon, or actually every day if you're looking to bring in more of this powerful light language. And you can keep the palms of your hands open. You can put the palms of your hands on your heart center. You don't have to cover your head. I do it because I contain the energy. A word for prayer in Aramaic is shala, and shala means to go within. Actually, literally means to cover yourself, because it means to go within. So let's go within, and let's take a moment to think of the letter that we start chanting in, which is the Aleph, the connection of heaven and earth, and the heart center, and the Hey, which is a very, very powerful letter, because it is the presence of Shekhinah, the divine feminine presence, moving around us in spirals. ALAHIN, IMMA, de Briya. can just feel the power of that light language. Divine Mother of Creation, ALAHIN, IMMA, the Bria. And so I hope that this chanting practice awakens something in you and just brings you into that sacred relationship with the Divine Feminine Presence, with ALAHA, Divine Mother Father. And if you are interested in learning more Aramaic or practicing more Aramaic, I have a lot of music out in Aramaic, and I also offer courses and workshops in Aramaic, especially the embodiment of Aramaic through frame drumming, through chanting, through sacred dance, through whirling, to really understand how this mystery teaching of this sacred Aramaic language can activate, heal, awaken, and bring us into divine union. AHAVA.